Hello, fellow hair loss people. Today is day 112. It's my week 16 update. And as you guys can see, there's a lot of light because the sun's kind of peeking through the clouds there, and my hairline is looking pretty good. A little surprise, I did get a t-shirt made that says, hello, fellow hair loss people. This whole community has been awesome. Posting these videos has been really fun for me. It's kind of part of the reason that I got into it too, is because there weren't a whole lot of people that were in the younger age bracket, at the kind of under 35 group, that were posting a lot of videos and doing kind of high frequency, more than just the once a month type of updates, you know, or even the once every couple week updates. So I wanted to do a bi-weekly update, or I guess twice a week update, to just give people kind of an understanding of what their path can possibly look like. So let's get into today. Looking in at my front right, you can see it kind of looks almost like a little rat's nest, but the density is certainly getting there. When you look at it kind of from the side, you can see that the hairs are going in a similar pattern to the native hairs in the area, which is cool because the stuff that is now growing in, it really does match what my native hair looks like. Going in at my less strong side, you can see I got a couple of stragglers here down below that are not quite growing in the same pattern here, but this has always been my more difficult side, so I'm sure eventually they'll get there as well. But looking in at my hair, you can see my density on this side is certainly getting better. I've got a couple of little sparse spots here and here, where it seems like there's very little growth, but again, it's getting there. Considering it's 16 weeks out, it's just incredible. I feel honestly like a new person. And looking at it from kind of the foot to 2 foot out span, I mean, you really can't tell that I had a hair transplant. So to be at this stage, only 3.5 months post-op, is just an incredible feeling. I'm actually coming up on my 29th birthday in a couple of weeks, and just to be able to go into my 29th, my last year of my 20s, and have a full head of hair is a pretty good feeling. Every day I'm just kind of reassured that getting a hair transplant was definitely the right move for me. So again, looking in at this area, looking in at this area, and looking in at my crown. Again, crown isn't quite where I want it to be, but I don't expect it to be for at least kind of that 6 month plus mark. Typically that part of the head is a lot slower to grow, so I'm just trying to be patient back there. But it's pretty cool looking down from here. I definitely am going to need a haircut coming up here soon, so maybe by my next video or the following one, I will be able to have a little haircut, just a little trim on the front side. So if you guys have any questions, please make sure to comment down below. Please make sure to like and subscribe for all my future videos. Thank you guys.